Wait, where's Malachi?
Mike, look at me. You turn your head around and I'm gonna come running at you and kick you in the chest.
Wait, what?
You turn around. Jude, what the fuck?
He buried himself in there.
The fuck are you doing?
If you turn around and when you hear Blake start running, I'm gonna come over and kick you in the chest. Keep looking at me. Stare straight at me. Stare straight at me. Mike, stare at me. Look at me. Caitlin! Look right at my. Look at me. Don't cross your hands. Look at me. Keep looking at me. Keep staring at me. Don't turn your head at all. Just keep looking at me. Whatever you do.
He like stood on top of him.
Jumped on